Welcome to Coding Tips session.
In today's training session, I will run through one important coding tip in Snowflake. To underscore timestamp, to underscore date, these are Snowflake functions. It convert string expression to date format, timestamp, and it converts date format. The challenge with this to timestamp and to underscore date, wherever you get some invalid timestamp values, it raises an error. Okay, if we are using to timestamp and to underscore date, wherever conversion is not possible, again it raises an error. So that is the challenge with these Snowflake functions. So Snowflake has come up with a new version of these functions, that is try underscore to underscore timestamp, try underscore to underscore date. So these special versions will do same conversion but with error handling. If conversion is not possible, wherever invalid string values are there, it will return null value instead of raising an error. So that is the advantage of try to timestamp and try to date if we use these functions, right? So let me explain through Snowflake code as well, then it will be more clear. Okay, let me explain these functions. To underscore timestamp, where convert the string to date. Let's see. So select, this is date format with timestamp values, and this is conversion. Okay, so if I just run this syntax, you see, okay, I got two values. One is without any Snowflake conversion function. If you notice here, it is the format is text. In second column, we converted by using to underscore timestamp. Format is timestamp format. So here it is text. In second column, it is timestamp. So that's how this to timestamp will work. But issue I already discussed. If it is invalid values, it will raise an error. For example, let's see to underscore timestamp. This is invalid string value because month is 13. Okay, again this is also invalid value. So let's run this one. Okay, so I got error saying timestamp 2035 is not recognized. Again, second script as well, timestamp 2000 is not recognized. So invalid string values, this to underscore timestamp is unable to handle error. Okay, so in this case we need to use different version where error handling is also there. So use special versions, try underscore to date or try underscore to timestamp. Let's see how this works. So example one, valid timestamp values means it will work to underscore timestamp. So the format is time format. Again, I'm just using try underscore to timestamp. All right. So again, format. So everything works perfect. Means this is a valid test case. Again, if suppose invalid value 2013-15, right? So what we are using to underscore timestamp, try underscore to timestamp. So we want to check what is the difference. Okay. So first case, timestamp is not recognized because to underscore timestamp. We need to use different version so it can handle error as well. So it will give us null value, means it will not uh, throw, it will not raise error, it will give at least null value, so your script will not stop. Okay, again there is another example, invalid timestamp. Let's see. Again, to underscore timestamp, it's not recognized because it's invalid value. Then let's run this with try underscore to timestamp. It will not stuck, it will say null value, means this is wrong, we know that, right? So this is the advantage if we use try underscore to timestamp. It is very common scenario when we work in data projects because we need to do coding, so always try to use this function instead of to underscore timestamp.